welcome to day 24 of Fit After 40. Today's an ab day. I got the sheet set up right on Huntington Beach. Whether the water comes and gets us or not will be another question. It could happen if there's a big wave, so adds a little bit of excitement today. I brought a tripod today, so I'll be able to assist Bunny on her sit-ups and some other stuff I got planned for her. So, let's get right into the first exercise. All right, here's the first exercise. It's the sit-up. Bunny's gonna do 10 times 3, maybe more. Let's go.
Hold on. Let me wiggle my butt in there.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, how'd that feel?
Oh yeah.
You felt that?
Oh yeah.
Good. You sure that wasn't too easy for you?
I'm positive.
Okay.
Let's see, my heart rate will tell me.
If it ain't 160, it was too easy. If you're not in peak zone. Is that right or right?
I guess.
Alright, ain't no rest today. What is the heart rate, by the way?
I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. In the 90s. That's what it is. Go! Put your hands behind your head. There you go. 3, 4, 5, 6. Sit-ups ain't easy. 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if they're easier than last week.
I don't know.
I forget.
I don't know.
They look pretty challenging though, so I don't think we need to add any resistance yet. Not just yet.
No. You don't.
Soon though.
Soon. Oh.
You break 100 yet?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I didn't.
Yeah. Well,
72.
Sitting here calmly.
Yeah. All right. Final set. Hands behind the head. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, she's feeling it. 6. You're gonna feel them abs tomorrow. 7. She felt the last ab day. 8. 9er. 1 more. 10. The last little cheater when you saw that. She can't use her hands to jump, but she can use her hands to do the sit-up. Yep, you hold on to my legs. All right, we got the partner-assisted leg raises. Bunny's throwing them up. I'm throwing them down. She's doing 10 of them. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that last one went down quick. You were stronger those than you were last time.
Was it really?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, nice. Glad to hear it.
Yep. I'll give you about 15 seconds.
I definitely feel those this time down in this part of my ab.
Good. That's where you should feel. They're a lower ab exercise.
Well, that's a good idea. It's all melting down into that lower ab.
Bunny says that her weight is not going away, it's sinking. I don't know how that works,
I
but
don't know.
her weight is sinking. You know
Yeah, look, it's all like...
Yeah. I don't know. All right, second set, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feeling else? Good. All right, that's enough rest.
Oh,
Final
yeah.
set. Let's go. Get them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh my god! Guys, it's hard. It's not easy.
Plank.
Oh,
Dab day.
yeah.
You're gonna beat your old record in plank.
What's my old record? Like,
See after I'll do it in post. Oh, you do have a record though.
probably not 30 seconds.
Probably not 30 seconds. We got some surfers out there. You see him hitting the waves. He's up, he's riding, he's loving it. Oh, he jumped off. Wicked waves. Bunny has assumed the plank position. Go! The timer has started. How long will she get? Will it be a new personal record? Can we see the ocean through the middle? Yes, we can. There is room. Bunny is planking it out. She is at 15 seconds.
My back is cracking.
Uh-oh. The back is cracking. Release the Kraken. How long will Bunny hold? She's almost at 30 seconds. Wow. 33 seconds. Something like that. That's a new personal record. Well done.
That was weird. My back was cracking. It's the most it's cracked in.
It was stretching it, huh?
Yes.
It's good. It's the most your back is cracked since when?
In years.
Years?
Yeah, nobody can crack my back. It's so stiff.
Bunny cracked her own back for the first time in years, doing the plank. Killing the game.
Yeah.
That's great news, actually. Alright, well, we know how long you can go maximum. Now you just need to do another 30 seconds, because we know you can do 30 seconds. You
Oh,
messed
yeah.
up there.
Yeah.
Ready?
We'll see if I get another.
Set, go! She's planking! Oh, let me start the timer.
Oh
Oops.
my god.
I'll give you a 5-second credit. So you're at 10 seconds already. See how easy that was?
Oh yeah, so easy.
Oh, ain't much distance. Can't really see the ocean through the middle there.
Oh.
Oh, she's down. 18 seconds.
Yeah.
All right. So the next one we'll just do to your maximum because we know you can't do 30 seconds anymore.
Yeah.
All right.
I start slipping and then ew, what is that?
Where?
I don't know, there was a bug bouncing around here, it was clear.
This guy is getting wild out here. He is getting his fitness on. He's like fit after 70. Killing it. Final plank. Go! Oh yeah, we can see the ocean now. Oh, it's fading very quickly. Is it sunset? Is the sun going down? Oh, there's a little bit of light again. Oh, the light is getting smaller. Oh, Bunny's fading. Bunny's out!
Oh,
All right, I think we got Bunny's abs. We got Bunny's abs moving today. That's what we wanted. And look, she's doing her own dog pose stretch. That's what that is, right? Something like that.
I don't know.
I'm not a very good yoga guy, but I think that's the dog pose.
We should get into some yoga.
Yeah, well, yoga is not enough for you. You need more.
That's true.
All right, so what is the final thing we're gonna bring you? Bunny's favorite, the runny. See you guys for the run. Here we are at Bunny's column number 1. She's super excited about it. She's ready to run. Aren't you, Bunny?
Oh, yeah. I have to pee.
Yeah. You can wait for 7 columns. Go! Bunny's off. It's time for the running. Oh, she's up to a fast pace as usual. She likes to run like she likes to drive the truck. Full gas, full brake. No intermediate speed up. No ramp up. All gas, all brake. Ooh. How'd that first column feel? Get your heart rate up? No.
Yeah, 131.
Come on. Column 2 should up that a little bit. We'll see. Here we go. Number 2 is fastly approaching. Go! Bunny's on the running. She's on the move. I got a head start this time, but she's catching up because she's fast. I'm telling you. She made it. Well done. Oh, that one. Now what's your heart rate at? You jump up any?
No.
Oh, yeah. You know what that means.
I know.
You need another column.
142. I just hadn't updated. 142.
Oh. Think we can get up to 150 on the next
I
one?
don't want to.
You don't want to?
No.
You sure?
Probably going to, but.
Yeah. It's fastly approaching. But I feel like that was a long walk, so I don't know if it's going to hit it. Go! Column number 3 is upon us. We are in the middle of it. It's a battle. These columns are getting shorter, though. Bunny's getting faster. We're going to need to up the intensity here soon.
160.
There we go. That's the zone you should be in. You're earning 2 points in that zone, huh?
Oh, yeah.
2 for 1 deal. Bunny loves her Fitbit. So, funny story about Bunny's Fitbit. Bunny always tells me how she never slept, this, that happened. She went to sleep late. She woke up early. She woke up 50 times during the middle of the night. But I asked her about her Fitbit score this morning, and she said it's an 80. Are you kidding me? That's incredible sleep. Go! Column number 4. Bunny's getting better sleep than all of us. Don't act like she's tired. When she's got a good sleep score. I only get a fair sleep score, and I feel like I sleep good. Bunny's on the next level. How'd that column feel? Easy, huh? It went down, didn't it?
No. So,
Oh, good. You're in the zone then. How's it feel to be in the zone? Feels good, huh? Feel alive. You're not tired right now. Oh, number 5. Go! Number 5 snuck up on us real quick. Bunny's killing it. And that's it. Oops. Good morning. Very friendly bicycle rider. Not everybody on the path is that friendly. I had a woman lie to me this morning on the path. I'm not going to get into that. Neither here nor there. But she lied to me. I'm gonna put it that way.
I think I accidentally wore one of Katie's sports bras this morning.
Second to last, number 6, go! Yeah, you're usually dying at this point. These are getting way too easy for Bunny. This is the point where she said, "Oh, I think I'm gonna puke today. I think I'm gonna puke today." Oh. So she's doing better. Look at that.
That's so pretty.
Now she's just running with a smile on her face. That's what running every day will do for you. I'm telling you, it's the best thing you can do for yourself if you're overweight and out of shape. Bunny's trying to stay fit after 40. Bunny's going to be the fittest in her life at the age of 40. That's the goal. And that's a good goal to have. It's the final column. Go! All right, make sure you run this one out hard. This is it. This is the final marker. Oh my gosh, she's picking it up. She's sprinting. I can't keep up. Wow, well done. Good job.
You go, girl.
You go, girl.
I'm not wearing my sports bra today.
Uh-oh. Everything's popping out.
They're all out.
Well, very good. You sprinted on the last one. You're not puking. Look, and you're still walking. Remember yesterday you plopped to the ground after you were finished.
Yeah, I was sand.
No difference.
There's a huge.
Before and after pictures coming. Hey Bunny, stay fit!